Hello to everyone, I hope you are doing well and having a good day. I came with a new idea today, felty feather bookmarks. These bookmarks could be extremely beautiful and actually I love them a lot. Working with felt became my favorite things in last few weeks because it's such an easy material, colorful and cheap. You can make these bookmarks for everyone that you love and for each and every one of your books. The idea of making bookmarks is a lot and I just trying to make something unique and original based on my creativity. Because I believe we all should make an experience and share it together. The only thing I want from you is to share these ideas to your friends and anyone who might love and enjoy the moment of creation. Alright, let's back to work. What we need for making these felty feathers? Any type of color, water-based or oil-based is just depend on what you have in your home. Ice cream sticks, pen or pencil, needles and yarn, colorful beads, colorful felt, a paper clip for holding ice cream stick, scissors, cutter. First step. With a pencil, I drew two tiny triangles on the edge of the ice cream stick and with my cutter, I removed both parts. This cut is helping you to link the feather to the ice cream stick. Pay attention if you are doing this with or without children. Please be careful with the cutter to not harm your fingers. Second step, drawing section. I'm using a bottle of green ink. What I do is easy. With the paper clips, I hold the ice cream stick indirectly on my hand and put it inside the bottle. Then I reverse it and color the other side. For letting it to dry, I hang the ice cream sticks with help of these paper clips on a pin and let it dry completely. Third step, time for draw your feather. I'm using an oak tree leaf as my model for the feather. Sometimes you should just take it easy and use directly from the nature. Now what I do, I draw a line exactly in the middle of the leaf. Then with my scissor I try to cut the feather like the way you are seeing in parallel lines. Just be careful to let a few last millimeters free and don't cut it. Later, I do the same for the other side. Step number 4, sewing time. To be honest, this step is not that long. And for two main reasons I'm doing this. 1. To hide the middle line that I drew. 2. To give my feather a curly form. Let's begin. With my needle that carries yarn, I start to stitch on the middle line as usual. The only difference is to drag the yarn more than usual. This extra dragging gives a curvy texture to the feather. So I'm sewing from the bottom to the head and once it's finished I sew from the head to the bottom back. When all is finished, I do some extra stitch to be sure that the yarn won't be open and cut it. Now, I need to prepare the end part of the feather. With my needle, I first apply some stitches. Then start to cover the whole handle with yarn, and with some extra stitches would fix it on its place. Step number 5. With my needle I make a hole on the ice cream stick and later add some beads to it, and start to sew the feather to the stick. The 2 triangles that you carved from the wood now would help you to easily sew the feather to it and hold it. Again, with my needle I would go and back a few times to make sure it won't be open and everything just stay right in a good place. And here you go, it's all finished. You can use it for yourself, sell it or give it to your friend as a gift. Alright everyone, as always I hope you enjoyed this video, and if yes, please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and if you have any question please ask me, I would gladly answer. Love you always, see you next time.